what is the value of the absolute value of x plus 5 plus the absolute value of x minus 3? Okay, so we got two absolute value expressions, one variable x. What do we know about x? X squared is less than 25. So what does this mean about x? This means x will be less than 5 or greater than -5. So x is between -5 and 5, but we still have many possible values for x, so this should be insufficient. Statement 2 says x squared is greater than 9. So what does this tell me about x? This is going to be, we're not going to have a between scenario like we have in the first statement. We're going to have a two-sided boundary. So x can either be greater than 3 or x can be less than -3. But just like the first statement, we still have infinite values for x. So that will be insufficient. So then together, what do we know? So x has to be between -5 and 5. And then x also has to be either greater than 3 or less than -3. So if x is greater than 3, so in other words, we can think of this as if x is greater than 0, it's got to be between 3 and 5. Or if x is negative, x has to be between -5 and -3. So what is this? So it still seems though, it doesn't say anywhere x has to be an integer. So it still seems like we have infinite values for x. Let's see, let's just maybe test a few examples to make sure that it really is still insufficient. So let's start with the easy one. So let's say x is equal to 4. Then we would have 9 plus 1, which is equal to 10. And then let's say x is equal to -4, which it could be over here. What does that give us? So -4 plus 5 is, so that will be 1 plus the absolute value of -4 minus 3. So that will be +7. So this gives us 8. So they're still insufficient. I don't know, the answer is E.